At mga buhok, ako si Kokoy Lee, isang tactical practitioner at EDC gear reviewer. Ang topic ngayon ay Klarus G20, 3000 lumens flashlight, miniature searchlight, at Flag King. Hard anodized aluminum exterior, side button, my power level indicator, silicone flap for micro USB charging. Sa ilalim may slots na pwede mo lagyan ng wrist straps or lanyard. My second button, dimensions, bezel 36mm, body 34mm, overall length 124mm, weight 131 grams without batteries. Cree XHP 70 N4 LED, my textured orange peel reflector, tempered glass lens, stainless steel bezel. Modes with runtime: low 15 lumens 150 hours, medium 160 lumens 19 hours, high 650 lumens 4 hours 30 minutes, turbo 3000 lumens 45 minutes. Side switch: low, medium, high, turbo. Special modes: double tap, strobe 3000 lumens 1 hour 30 minutes, double tap ulit SOS 51 hours. May momentary switch din siya. Turbo agad. Pinalis mo, mawawala. Mamatay. Lock button. Sabay ang pindot ng rear at saka side button. Lock na yan. Buksan natin ang lagay ng battery. May 26650 5000 milliamperes na battery na kasama. Solid. Diyan lamang si Klarus. Galante. Buksan natin itong flap. Check natin itong integrated micro USB charging port. Extremely fast recharging when used with Klarus 2A adapter cord. Battery remaining indicator: green, meaning 70 to 100% charge. Orange, 30 to 70% charge. Red, less than critical, kailangan mo na i-charge. Thermally regulated, mag-step down siya pag mainit na. May holster, nakasama. User manual, USB cable or cord, lanyard, at o-ring. Test natin sa labas. Klarus G20. Pakita ko sa inyo kung gaano ka powerful tong searchlight na to. check nyo kung gaano ka floody or wide beam itong tinatawag na flood king. Commentary switch, boom, turbo, walang dark spot, ano, wide na wide talaga. Ito naman yung low, hindi pansin, medium, high, turbo, special mode, strobe, SOS. Remember to subscribe. Wow. Turbo yan. Bye.